Welcome back, everyone. Every single day that goes by, we see more and more random leaks, and today, actually, a crazy thing just happened. And just a couple days ago, a crazy thing happened that basically Apple is currently working on some sort of foldable device, and it only makes sense. We rumored this like last year. There were a ton of rumors going around, and I made a ton of renders about it too. You may have seen them on Instagram. They were blown up a little bit. But basically, there was a lot of these articles saying that, Apple is working on and designing this foldable device, and there's some patents out for it too. And like I said before, it only makes sense. Apple, the standard, single screen setup is something that Apple is pretty much known for at this point. Whereas on the other hand, we have a ton of different phones out. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, Samsung Galaxy Fold, the Motorola Razr phone that also was foldable. People totally forgot about that even existed. But there's a lot of other phones out in the market, and Apple could possibly, if they can just nail out this foldable device, I could see a ton of people wanting to purchase one. Now, I don't think it's going to be perfect, and I honestly don't even think it's going to be what a lot of people are hoping for. I think a lot of people are, expecting it to be something like a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip, but I think it's going to be more so a Samsung Galaxy Fold type of layout. Something even kind of like the Microsoft Surface Duo or whatever that thing's called, that foldable phone that Microsoft just made. I feel like it's going to be that type of design, but more so like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. That would make way more sense to me, mostly because that type of technology, I feel like more people were more hype about that. Even though the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip seems more possible, I feel like Apple will really go out on their shield. I feel like Apple would really go out of their way to make something super crazy, and I feel like the output that the Z Fold will have from customers will be a lot more than what the Z Flip type of design would. Now, beyond that, we don't have a date of when it's going to be released. Some people are estimating, late 2021. I want to say that, if they want to be really smart about it, they should release it in 2021. It only makes sense. By then, there's going to be a ton of different competitions out there. There's going to be, obviously, the Z Flip, the successor to the Z Fold, and all those other devices as well. And it really only makes sense for Apple to go and actually make a successor to it next year. If they make it this year, that would be even better, but I really doubt it. It makes more sense for them to drop it next year. And on top of that, believe it or not, it's going to be probably the most expensive iPhone Apple will ever make. If you remember that one time, Samsung made that Z Fold, and they literally priced that thing up so high. I remember the startup cost, I think it was like $1,500 or over that, but around that price tag. I paid like $1,600 for mine. That was ridiculous. But the design of that is really, really nice. And with Apple, I feel like they could price it around, $1,300, $1,400, and people would probably end up buying it, iPads are already taking off like crazy. They've sold a ton of those, and I can see them totally selling a bunch of these things too. And it would be kind of like maybe even an iPhone for your iPhone. Maybe people will buy this instead of buying an iPad. And obviously there's going to have to be a new architecture. Apps and everything will have to be optimized for both screens, but I'm gonna be honest, I think it's gonna be a really, really awesome thing for Apple to do, and it's only a matter of time before they do it. They're 100% going to do it, it's just a matter of time when. So that really pretty much covers it up. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my second channel. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.